Students, how old are you? Hope you all are fine. We, the teachers of St. Andrews Public School, are working from our home and taking online classes. So please cooperate us. Class 6, Chapter 10. The conjunction. As in the previous video, we have studied other parts of speech as noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, and the next one is the conjunction. Before discussing this chapter, let me remind you one thing, that if you have any comment or suggestion, then you can ask me in the comment box of this video. So let us know about the conjunction. Conjunction is a very important part of speech. Conjunction is divided into two parts. Junction means joining the sentences, and con means the connector. So let us know the definition. A conjunction is a joining word. It is used to join words, group of words or sentences together. कंजक्शन क्या होता है? जो वर्ड और ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स को और सेंटेंसेस को ज्वाइन करता है. वर्ड्स एंड सेंटेंसेस. हियर connector is conjunction. Conjunction is also a connector and the linker of between the words and the sentences which connect two sentences or group of words. For example, 2 and 2 make 4. So here and is a connector or the conjunction which joining the two words or a group of words. Work or go away. Work, go away have no sense, and if we join or, then it will have a sense, work or go away. So or here is a conjunction. Here is a two sentences which we have to join by joining the conjunction. We bought a horse, we bought a cow. So how we will join these two sentences? We bought a horse and a cow. Here and is joining two sentences, and is a conjunction. And the two sentences, when we join, then its sense cannot be changed. His father is poor, people respect him. So how we will join it? His father is poor, yet people respect him. उसके पापा पुअर हैं, तब फिर भी लोग उनकी इज्जत करते हैं. तो yet, फिर भी. Now we will study types of conjunction. It's of three types: coordinating conjunction, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. And it can be in the famous acronym. We can, for reminding this coordinating conjunctions, we can call it fanboys. What do you mean by fanboys? F for fan, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for o, Y for yet, and S for so. So to remind all these conjunctions, we can say fanboys. Next one is subordinating conjunctions are after, although, as for as if, as long as soon as, even though, every time, if, in order that, since, so that. And the correlative conjunctions, either or, not only but, neither nor, both and, whether or. So these are three types of conjunctions which we will discuss. First one is coordinating conjunction. What do you mean by coordinating conjunction? Which are used to join sentences to another are called coordinating conjunction. Coordinating conjunctions वो होते हैं जो एक सेंटेंस से दूसरे सेंटेंस को ज्वाइन करते हैं coordinating के थ्रू conjunction. So let us have the examples of coordinating conjunctions. For, we listened eagerly, for he brought news for family. So what he brought? He brought news for family, and who is listening eagerly? So these are two sentences which we connect by joining it. For, she didn't speak to anyone and nobody spoke to her. She didn't speak to anyone. उसने किसी से बात नहीं की. Nobody spoke to her. उसके साथ किसी ने बात नहीं की. And we will join its two sentences with and. Nor, I don't expect children to be rude, nor do I expect to be disobeyed. Here nor is a coordinating conjunction. But They rushed to the hospital, but they were too late. They rushed to the hospital. वे हॉस्पिटल की ओर भागे, बट दे वर टू लेट. फिर भी वो बहुत लेट हो गए. सो बट यर जॉइनिंग ऑफ टू सेंटेंसेस एंड इट इज़ कोऑर्डिनेटिंग अ कंजक्शन. और आई विल गो शॉपिंग और आई विल गो कैंपिंग और इज एन coordinating conjunctions which are joining two sentences. Caleb was a convicted criminal, yet many people admire him. Yet here is an coordinating conjunction. So I was feeling hungry, so I made myself a sandwich. I was feeling hungry, मुझे भूख लगी थी, तो I made myself a sandwich, तो इसलिए मैंने सैंडविच बना लिया. So here is an coordinating conjunction. Next one is subordinating conjunction. What do you mean by subordinating conjunction? Conjunctions that join together two sentences of unequal rank or order are called subordinating conjunctions. Subordinating conjunctions वो होते हैं जो two sentences होते हैं जो similar नहीं होते और उनके जो order होता है वो different होता है, उनको हम join करते हैं by the help of subordinating conjunctions. They are of comparison, time, concession, relative pronoun, reason, condition, place, relative adjective, manner. Now let us know what is comparison. When we do the comparison between two sentences, then we use these conjunctions: than, rather than, whether, as much as, whereas. When we tell the time when an event is happened, then we use this: after, as soon as, until, whenever, now that. Concession: though, although, even though. Relative pronoun: relative pronoun are who, whenever, whom, whomever, whose. Reasons: when we have the reasons or while giving the sentences, then we use because, since, so that, in order to, as. Conditions: when we apply a conditions while an event is occurred, then we use if only, unless, provided that, assuming that. Next one is place. Place: when in this we are telling the place where the event is happened, where, wherever. Relative adjective: that, whatever, which, whichever. Manner: how, as though, as if. These all are subordinating conjunctions. Next one is correlative conjunctions. Conjunctions that are used in pairs. There are correlative conjunctions are when the two sentences are related to one another and which we are used in pairs. Conjunctions, correlative conjunctions are both and. For example, the company deals in both hardware and software. There are pairs, two pairs of sentences. One is what the company deals for both hardware and software. So the company deals in both hardware and software. Here both and are correlative conjunctions. Next one is either or. I will eat either carrots or peas for dinner. Here either and or are correlative conjunctions. Neither nor. Natalie likes neither milk nor cream cake. So here neither and nor are correlative conjunctions. Whether or: do you care whether we have noodles or rice for dinner? Here whether or are correlative conjunctions which are joining the pair of two sentences. Not only but also. He not only studies hard but also works well. Here not only and but also are correlative conjunction, such that it's such a tiny kitchen that I don't have to do much to keep it clean. Here such and that are correlative conjunctions. Scarcely when. Scarcely had she entered the room when the phone rang. So when she entered, when the phone rang. No sooner did he enter the room than he saw a snake. So this is all about this chapter, and the conjunction is over. It will help you to develop your spoken English as well as your writing skill even. So thank you very much for your support and keep watching the videos and keep learning English. Thank you. We'll catch you later in next video. Please subscribe this channel and do your assignment seriously and all the exercise of this chapter. Good luck, student.